Want to know how to check exchange rate in Remitly? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Remitly application. So once you have opened it up, make sure you are signed in. So we have also created a video on how to sign in, so make sure to watch it. So now, once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And on the top right side, you should be saying welcome. Just simply hit what settings and make sure you are under your profile information. Just simply scroll all the way down and here you should be saying sending to and sending it from. So select the relevant one right here. So once that is done, you can just simply head back to home. Now here you should be say exchange rate right here. So you can just simply select the drop down box from country and then change it accordingly, just like this right here. So you can see various exchange rates. So if let's for example change to Brazil, my exchange rate should be shown on the right side again, just like this. And that's it. It's super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.